On March 8 and 9, a solar eclipse will take place over the Pacific Ocean. The incredible natural phenomenon will begin over Indonesia before moving over Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Because the moon's shadow crosses the international date line, it will appear in the afternoon of the 8th in some regions, despite being visible from the morning of the 9th in others. And for those not able to view the eclipse from the ground, there are a number of flights people can take to see it in all its glory, or people can live stream it online for free. At least twice a year, the orbits of the Moon and Earth block the Sun to cause a shadow on Earth. Most eclipses are partial, but when the Moon is in close to the Earth, it results in a total eclipse. The last total solar eclipse was in March 2015, and the one before that was in November 2012. The total eclipse is visible within a roughly 62 to 93 mile, 100 to 150 kilometers, wide path that starts in the Indian Ocean and slices across parts of Indonesia including Sumatra, Kalimantan and Sulawesi before ending in the northern Pacific Ocean. Indonesia's capital Jakarta is not within the eclipse path, but the Sumatran port city of Palembang is. The Sun itself will be entirely obscured from between 90 seconds and 5 minutes, depending on the viewer's location. The point at which the total eclipse lasts the longest, 4 minutes and 9 seconds, is in the Pacific Ocean east of the Philippines. Palembang will be the first city to see the total eclipse, at about 7:20 a.m. local time on March 9, 1920 Greenwich Mean Time on March 8. The total eclipse will occur sometime from midnight GMT, 7 p.m. Eastern Time to 4 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, 11 p.m. Eastern Time. However, there is a high chance of cloud because Indonesia is in its wet season and people in South Asia, East Asia and the north and east of Australia may see a partial eclipse. Astronomer Xavier Jubair has also listed a number of flights that will cross the path of the eclipse. According to his site, the greatest point of eclipse lies in the middle of the Pacific Ocean east of Indonesia where about 10 million people live inside the totality path. Jubair lists flights to Honolulu and Jakarta as being ideal for viewing the eclipse from. It will also be available to watch online using the sleuth telescopes and observatories over the course of the eclipse. And for people who miss it in the West, a total solar eclipse will pass through the U.S. and over Europe in August 2017, with the longest visible viewing spot in Tennessee and Kentucky. Though only people along the narrow path of totality will see the total eclipse, millions more will see some degree of a partial solar eclipse in Asia and the Pacific, including Hawaii, Guam and parts of Alaska, NASA said in a statement.